According to our Chiliz Cost Forecast 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.05 with a base cost of 10 cents. Chiliz is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of 42 cents as per our CHZ Cost Expectation 2025. Based on our Chiliz Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. Presently, the Chiliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. In spite of the negative opinion, Chiliz Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above 9 cents starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chiliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chiliz figure, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chiliz worth purchasing? Might Chiliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with itemized Chiliz cost forecast, we should jump into the coin's specialized examination. Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $0. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Nonetheless, the presentation of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight remedy. However, later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative tension. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and as of now, it exchanges around 11 cents. From the very outset of 2023, Chiliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above 9 cents. Right now, it confronted areas of strength for an of 9 cents, while a solid obstruction of 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration recommending projected greatest cost, guessed value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. Conquering all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant game's financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. CHZ Coin Cost Forecast proposes that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz has not soared on the trade, ascending to greatness. One unmistakable truth that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is setting down deep roots, increment, and fill in the market in full blossom according to our Chiliz cost expectation. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. Likewise, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz Crypto Value Expectation 2024. CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, individually. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chiliz Crypto cost expectation. Chiliz Value Expectation 2025 as per CHZ Cost Forecast 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to quit slacking with other cryptographic forms of money to obviously show up at any rate cost of 29 cents and a greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ Gauge depicts a stunning good faith anticipated for the CHZ cost, fundamentally because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz Coin Value Expectation 2026. Violating all impediments more than 2026 would certainly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz expectation, upheld by strong brilliant agreements, the most extreme value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. Chiliz expectation 2027. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to the CHZ cost gauge. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value expectation 2028 of every 2028. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz estimate 2029. Thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effectively cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030. In light of our CHZ cost expectation 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost variances in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high gamble. According to the Chiliz value forecast and specialized examination, in 2023 the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 13 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 14 cents with the typical worth of 13 cents. According to the Chiliz gauge, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 17 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is supposed to arrive at the very least expense of 8 cents. Moreover, the CHZ cost is fit for getting a greatest degree of 21 cents. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in light of wallet financial backer Chiliz figure. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is $0. CHZ can be a high-risk one-year speculation choice as your ongoing venture might be downgraded from here on out. About Chiliz today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, in the event that the information source isn't real or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook on account of the approach of blockchain that a huge number understood the inborn capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be saddled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz's interesting stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was formally sent off in 2019. Despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016, currently in the name and style of Socios.com. Any game or sports on the planet can adapt fan interest. Chiliz is a trail